Welcome to this tutorial, where I will guide you how to change your password in the Waze app on your phone. Keeping your account secure is very important, and changing your password regularly helps protect your personal information. First, open the Waze app on your phone. Once the app is open, look for the three horizontal lines and tap on them. Next, from the menu options, scroll down and select Settings. After entering the Settings menu, tap on Account and Login. This section allows you to manage your personal information. Then, tap on Password. Here you will be asked to enter your current password. After entering your current password, type your new password carefully. You will need to retype the new password again to confirm it. Once you have done this, tap on Save to apply the changes. Finally, Waze will ask you to log in again using your new password. After logging in, you will receive an email from Waze asking you to verify the change. Open your email app, find the message from Waze, and click on the verification link inside the email. This step confirms your password update. Then choose Waze app from menu. Thank you for watching.